Hello friends! Vacation season is on its way, but our exciting market never rests. So let's see, what is new in power semiconductors industry? Renault Group and STMicroelectronics announced a strategic cooperation on the design, development, manufacturing and supply to Renault Group of STMicroelectronics products and related packaging solutions for the power electronic systems of battery-operated and hybrid vehicles. These technologies will have significant impacts on electric vehicles' driving range and charging by reducing power losses and improving efficiency, which will result in low battery costs, more kilometers per charge, shorter charging time and reduced user cost. Renault Group and STMicroelectronics will work together with the objective of improving the power performance of Renault Group's applications for electric and hybrid vehicles, based on STMicroelectronics wide bandgap semiconductor technologies and products. TOSHIBA'S Incorporated, a leading global provider of foundry ion implantation services in support of the microelectronics industry, announced the introduction of heated ion implantation foundry services for 150mm silicon carbide wafers. The growing interest in clean energy is accelerating the electrification of the global energy and transport infrastructure and driving the demand for power electronics with high reliability that can be produced at scale. TOSHIBA'S now offers the world's most advanced ion implantation foundry services and support for state-of-the-art 150mm diameter silicon carbide wafers. TOSHIBA'S ion implantation process enables highly reliable power electronics by running at a temperature of up to 650 centigrades to anneal the crystal structure dynamically and eliminate defects. The process provides a very high level of doping precision, both in terms of depth and concentration. TOSHIBA Electronic Devices and Storage Corporation has developed a new silicon carbide MOSFET device structure that simultaneously achieves high reliability at high temperatures and low power loss. In a 3.3 kV chip at 175 centigrades, a level of current over double that of TOSHIBA's present structure, the new structure operates without any loss of reliability, and it also reduces specific on resistance at room temperature by about 20% for a 3.3 kV chip and 40% for a 1.2 kV chip. The Chinese automaker's chip division BYD Semiconductor is one of 30 semiconductor companies to raise prices this year. BYD Semiconductor will raise the price of IPM and IGBT products by at least 5% starting July 1st, citing increased cost of inputs from upstream suppliers resulting from the global chip shortage. The company's announcement was circulated via a letter to customers. Nagoya Institute of Technology and NGK Insulators, both based in Nagoya, Japan, have established the NGK Environment Innovation Laboratory on the NITech campus. This collaboration between the private sector and academia will work on creating innovative next-generation products that contribute to a significant reduction of greenhouse gases, such as materials for next-generation power semiconductors and high-performance storage batteries. The NGK Environment Innovation Laboratory is headed by Professor Tomakatsu Hayakawa under the NITech with Professor Hideki Mori and NGK Shinji Kawasaki as deputy directors. 5 NITech professors with different fields of expertise will initially engage in 3 research and development with NGK's R&D division. The project will run for 5 years. Semiconductor manufacturers worldwide will have started construction on 19 new high-volume FABS by the end of this year and break ground on another 10 in 2022 to meet accelerating demand for chips across a wide range of markets, including communications, computing, healthcare, online services and automotive, according to SEMI's quarterly World Fab Focused report. Equipment spending for the 29 FABs is expected to surpass $140 billion over the next few years. China and Taiwan will lead the way in a new fab construction starts with 8 each, followed by the Americas with 6, Europe Middle East with 3, Japan and Korea with 2 each. FABs that produce 300mm wafers will account for most of the new facilities, 15 in 2021 and again in 2022 when 7 FABs will begin construction. The remaining 7 FABs, planned over the 2-year period, will be 100mm, 150mm and 200mm facilities. Then 29 FABs could produce as many as 2.6 million wafers per month in 200mm equivalents. EE Awards Asia celebrates some of the best products, companies and industry executives making a difference every day in Asia's electronics industry. It honors the people and companies in Asia which are behind the technologies that are changing the way we work, live and play. The 2021 EE Awards Asia winners are selected by a committee comprised of AspenCore's global senior industry analysts as well as online readers and users across Asia. You can join EE Awards Asia in honoring these extraordinary achievements in the field of semiconductor industry this year. Voting ends on July 9. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for keeping on watching my weekly updates. As usual, see you next week. Meanwhile, go to Market and Psycho website for more information or join me on social media. Keep in touch and tune in July.